What's going on? We are back with another full day eating video where every single day I show you how to eat clean to be a lean machine. And yes, I have sunglasses on indoors. I forgot to take them off when I stepped inside. And hey, I'm rocking with it. So I'm starting off the day with the juice. I've been going to my little local juicery when I can, as I'm burping here. Apple, lemon, ginger, and cayenne. Absolutely delicious immunity juice to start my morning off while I tell you guys what I'm going to have for today. Speaking of that, we all know my breakfast is the same every single weekday, and then weekends we switch it up just because weekdays we're busy, we're working. I am busy. I'm a busy man. I like to open up my fridge, grab these out, boom, I'm on the road. Simple. Chia seed pudding, overnight oats. The overnight oats flavor changes every couple weeks. It is the fall season, so we are rocking with pumpkin spice oats. Between these two, it's about 900 calories, okay? We get it. That could be high calories for some people. My girlfriend is 125 pounds, fit chick. We stay lean year round, the two of us, okay? I'm the one who's seen on camera, so you guys have obviously seen me stay lean, but I'll speak for her. She stays lean year round. We eat the same diet. So people saying, well, that doesn't work for somebody who wants a 2,000 calorie diet because then they're going to be hungry. We do it. You're speaking hypotheticals when we do it. I've been vegan for 10 motherfucking years. I've tried and tested every single which way you could go about being vegan. Oh, what about this way? What about this way? What about... Did it. Got the blood work on every single diet that you're going to suggest to me. Oh, what about tofu? What about protein powder? Did it. Give me another example. I did it. And I got the blood work done. I'm the most healthy I've ever been right now because we eat clean foods, not processed, not fake meat, not tofu, not protein powders, not creatine. Okay, we're not doing it the easy way. We're taking the time to eat clean. And people think, well, I got to cut, so I'm on a restrictive diet. I can only eat 1,500 calories. You're an idiot, okay? Restrictive diets are for morons. Let's just put it out there, straight up. Can't wait to hear the comments. You're an idiot. You should eat as much as you possibly can when you're eating clean. When you're not eating clean, of course the calories get crazy. But 1,000 calories? Are you kidding me? Oh, 55 grams of protein, 60 grams of protein for 1,000 calories isn't even good. Thanks, okay? Like, what is that? What input is that? That's a shit way to think about things. Take advice from people, digest the advice, take what you want, leave what you don't want, and leave your fucking comments in your own head. Because we don't care about your negative comments at all. It makes no sense why people get on channels and, like, start typing their opinion. Like, dude, this is a full day of eating video for me, not for you. Like, I'm not force-feeding you these meals. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. You don't have to watch the videos. You don't have to apply any of the information. I'm simply giving it to you as the healthiest man on earth. So you can't really tell me shit about anything else, all right? So when it comes to this diet shit, vegan shit, fitness, lifestyle, intertwining it all, you really can't speak much more than what I already know, all right? So not to be cocky, but it's called lived experience, not hypothetically thought out shit. Chia seed pudding has chia seeds, almond milk, cashew yogurt, and frozen fruit. This video is going to be titled RANT, okay? Everything we do is high quality. The maple syrup is the sweetener, which is a high quality maple syrup. But what about the sugar? Yeah, it's good for you. That good sugar, it's good for you, okay? Hate to let you know, but it is. Straight up. Cry about it. High quality everything. We make our almond milk at home. You do not have to do that. I just suggest that you do one that has the least amount of ingredients possible. Be smart. We don't want a bunch of processed shit, all right? That's why I'm against protein powder. It's just a bunch of processed garbage. Just eat your goddamn food, straight up. But my calories. I don't want to gain weight. My girlfriend is a 125-pound fit chick. I'm a lean guy who's been lean year-round for 10 motherfucking years. Never gained a pound, never will, never lose my 8-pack ever. If you can say the same, cool. All right, but I don't really care. Pumpkin puree is in this. A cup of oats. You can do a half cup of oats if you're worried about calories. 5 tablespoons of hemp seeds. But what about the calories? Don't do the hemp seeds if you don't want high calories. This is a high-calorie, high-protein, functioning athlete diet. Okay? Chia seeds, almond milk once again. We have maple syrup as the sweetener. Anything else in here doesn't really matter. Peanut butter. Cannot forget peanut butter. Once again, another way to cram protein and cram calories in. When you're an athlete, you want high carbs, you want high calories. You burn a lot of calories by doing output as an athlete. Now, if you live a sedentary lifestyle and you do absolutely nothing, yes, you don't want as much calories. Scale it back. Do something simple. Do fruit in the morning. Do a massive bowl of fruit and then have your little protein powder. I don't really care what you do. Keep it low calories and high protein. Do what you want to do. People are so protein obsessed and they look like shit. So take it from somebody like me who stays lean year round. Instagram in the description. You can kind of see the shit that I'm into. Clearly it's working for me. I'm 30 years old. I still look like I'm 18. I'm looking at myself right here like, Jesus Christ, I look like a teenager. And the older I get, the better I get. The stronger I get, the smarter I get. The more the blood work works in my direction. So I don't speak hypotheticals. I'm living real experiences, and now I'm making videos. I wanted to make these videos years ago. The first year being vegan, I was making videos. I left one on the channel because I took them all unlisted, but you can go back and just see the history. I was wanting to make videos of like me going to the goddamn vegan restaurant and like, oh, look what I'm having today. Like I've been through so many waves and peaks and valleys of this journey and eating everything that you guys think I should be eating. And I wasn't as healthy as I am now. And I was younger. I wasn't as in shape as I am now. And I was younger. So like do the math there. Like it clearly is the proof in the pudding. I'm kind of showing you guys the journey here. It's not really about you guys having input as much as it is about me giving information out there for free, by the way. Leave some respect in the comments instead of hating on me. There's a lot on my chest here because people just don't know how to think correctly. They don't know how to think for themselves. They want to be spoon-fed every single thing, and that's not how life works, bud. You got to adapt, overcome. You got to take information, take the things you want. Even if somebody you hate is delivering a good message, you need to take the good stuff from it, leave the stuff you don't like. Who cares what, if I like somebody or not? If they have a good message, I'm going to go ahead and take the things I need from that, leave the rest. You should do the same. We will see you here momentarily. Alrighty, we are back for dinner. I am in the robe, looking like Hugh Hefner type. We're having Beet Root Risotto. The overshot view will happen right now. This one is absolutely delicious. It is topped with a cashew parmesan, which has cashews, nutritional yeast. Basically, that's the main ingredients that get you your high protein. So just for a little topping. So once again, I was going on a rant today about the protein thing. Once again, another example of high protein, decent calories. You can eat as much as you want. This is in the Instant Pot, recipe in the description. Add some variety and color to your diet. This one's going to make you really happy when you see the color of it. So we're closing it out here. Dinner time. I'm hungry. Just trained twice. Haven't had a bite yet. So I'm not going to hold you too long. I already held up the first half of this video long enough. So we will see you tomorrow. Peace out.